Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC 1.6 Cdti Sportive Black Factory-fitted crew cab grin. Body, black, crew cab. Mileage, 187489. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, clutch is all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.